This steak looks absolutely amazing. I don't have my sous chef today. She is with my wife. They're visiting some family, so I kind of treated myself a little bit to the steak without her present. I apologize, but not really, because the steak looks too good. So I'm really happy with how this thing turned out. Great color. So tender. Yeah. First time trying the Hardcore Carnivore black beef seasoning. I'm a fan. Let's look at that. The crust is just magnificent. My technique for this cook was to use the just keep flipping method from Hardcore Carnivore. That just is a perfected. I think my barbecue was probably a little too hot to keep doing that continually, so I did modify that just a tiny bit so I wouldn't scorch the steak too much. But regardlessly, this thing looks delicious. I'm gonna devour this thing here in a couple seconds. I want to say thanks for watching. Keep barbecuing, America. Have a great day.